Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to block a website using the host file on Linux. So, how to do it? First of all, we need to go into terminal in order to edit the host file, and I will show you how to do it. We can basically, first of all, maybe I will display what's inside. So the host file is in etc directory and there is a host. So we can use that, and as you can see in the host file we can basically set an IP address to the domain name. And how to block the how to block a website? We have to basically set to the domain name. So for example, I will show you this on the google.com. We have to set to google.com the address that is unroutable and unreachable from the internet. So for example, the 127.0.0.1 is the loopback address, and it is very good address to use for blocking the website, and I will use it. So now we can move on. So first of all, maybe I will show you the google.com, google.com, and I will show you that it's working. So right now I will show you, maybe type in something like this, google.com, and press enter. As you can see, it is working, so everything is fine. And right now, how do we block it? So we have to edit this file. In order to edit this file, we need administration permissions, because it is basically a file from configuration. So we need to add sudo, now nano, and etc host, and of course type in the password. And right here we have to set our address that is unreachable from internet to our website. So we will block www.google.com, and maybe to make it safe, the google.com like this. And we have to save that. How do we save that? By pressing Ctrl+O, enter, and Ctrl+X. And right now we have to restart our browser. And right now, if we will try to search for google.com, so www.google.com, as you can see, it is not working and it's still loading. Why? Because if I will ping the google.com, I made a 4W, should be 3, but if I ping that, as you can see, it is responding with my my private loopback address. So it is impossible for the website to connect. If I will change it, so for example, I will edit it again and I will make a hashtag, that means these lines right now are they doesn't exist. Basically that's how it works. So they don't work. As you can see, I can make a ping again. I'm getting a response from the public IP address from Google, and if I will restart it, as you can see, it is working right now. So that's basically how you can block website from host file on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.